Hey everyone! Tor Browser is a privacy-focused web browser that helps us browse the internet anonymously by routing our traffic through the Tor network. It is useful for anyone who values online privacy, wants to bypass restrictions, or wants to protect their browsing data. Sometimes we may want to remove Tor Browser from our computer. This could be to free up space, fix technical issues, or because we no longer need it. Knowing how to delete Tor Browser properly helps make sure it is completely removed from our system without leaving extra files behind. This guide will show us how to simply and correctly delete Tor Browser from our computer. Unlike many other programs, Tor Browser is usually installed as a standalone folder and not through a typical installer. This means we can uninstall it by deleting the folder and removing any shortcuts. This guide will help us understand how to fully remove Tor Browser from our operating system so that no leftover files or data remain. By following these steps, we can keep our system organized and free from unused applications. Now, let's see how to delete Tor Browser properly, since it is not installed in the usual way. We just need to go to our system, open My Computer, and go to Program Files, or wherever we save the Tor folder. In this example, the folder is in Program Files under My Computer. As we can see, this is the Tor Browser folder. Here, we find its files and functions. To uninstall or delete Tor, we just right-click the folder and then click Delete. We should also check that all Tor tabs are closed. Once we right-click and delete it, the Tor folder is gone and Tor Browser is no longer on our profile. After we delete Tor Browser from our computer, we can be sure that the program and its files are no longer taking up space. If we want to use it again later, we can download the latest version from the official website and reinstall it. Reviewing and removing unused applications is a good way to keep our system working well and organized. With these steps done, our device is now cleaner and better managed.